Hello traders, and welcome to the Forexer channel. In this video, we're thrilled to introduce you to a highly effective and precise strategy with a high win rate. This strategy automatically identifies support and resistance zones, determines whether the market trend is bullish or bearish, and pinpoints the most accurate buy and sell signals by detecting overbought and oversold zones. We're confident that this strategy will leave you amazed. Throughout this video, we'll walk you through all the details of this strategy, including multiple entry and exit setups. So stay tuned till the end to achieve the best results. Before we dive in, please support us by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with your friends. Your support motivates us to deliver more valuable content. Let's get started. Let's add some indicators to our chart. But before we begin, I want to emphasize the importance of staying with me until the end of the video and paying attention to the points I'll be sharing with you. Go to the TradingView website, navigate to the Indicators tab, and search for Exhaustion Suite or Lorpape added to your chart. Now let's review the settings of this indicator. From the Inputs tab, change the swing length to 30, then adjust the bar back to 6, and finally set the size to 3. This indicator can identify support and resistance zones and provide signals on 2 time frames. Its signals are based on the stochastic indicator and overbought/oversold zones. The indicator doesn't repaint. You can adjust the signal display to 3 different levels, but I'm using just one in this video. If all sections are active, it can provide more trading signals. From the Style tab, you can customize this section according to your preference. I personally like these settings. Let's go back to the Indicators tab and search for WADA Atar Explosion V2 added to your chart. I use this indicator to confirm entry signals and identify trading volume. The default settings of this indicator are fine, and I don't usually change them. I use these settings to visualize the buying and selling volume better. You can also apply these settings if you prefer. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can stay motivated. Stay with me until the end of the video and pay close attention to the points I'm sharing. Let me introduce you to a new trading platform, Trade. This online broker is one of the most experienced players in the financial markets. It always utilizes the best and latest technologies to provide better services to its clients. Some time ago, this broker launched its online platform. As you can see, it's very attractive, and you can easily access a large number of technical analysis indicators and tools. With this platform, you no longer need to check news and financial reports because it provides everything you need. You can easily review economic news and reports and see their results. You can set alarms for different symbols. This broker supports a remarkable number of different symbols. With Trade, you execute your trades without intermediaries and in the shortest possible time. I recommend checking out this platform and enjoying its benefits. I've included the registration link in the description. Rules for entering a long position: when the green line crosses above the red line and the price is above the green cloud, it indicates an uptrend. In such conditions, we look for a buying signal around the support zone in the pullbacks. When the price reaches the support zone and a bullish candle closes, giving a buying signal, check the WADA Atar Explosion indicator. If the indicator columns are green, you can open a long position. Place the stop loss below the support zone and set the take profit with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Additionally, you can exit the trade when a sell signal is given. Another exit method is identifying resistance zones, which are shown with the red line. When the price reaches a resistance zone, you can exit the position. To maximize profits, consider using a trailing stop-loss technique. Rules for entering a short position: when the green line crosses below the red line and the price is below the red cloud, it indicates a downtrend. In such conditions, we look for a selling signal around the resistance zone in the pullbacks. When the price reaches the resistance zone and a bearish candle closes, giving a selling signal, check the Wada-Atar explosion indicator. If the indicator columns are red, you can open a short position. Place the stop loss above the resistance zone and set the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Additionally, you can exit the trade when a buy signal is given. Another exit method is identifying support zones, which are shown with the green line. When the price reaches a support zone, you can exit the position. To maximize profits, consider using a trailing stop loss technique. Here, I've selected an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame to demonstrate how this strategy works. As you can see, the price has reached the support zone and a buying signal has been given. Then, the green line has crossed above the red line and is above the green cloud. Therefore, we're only looking for buying positions. After the breakout of the resistance zone and pullbacks, you can re-enter the position by observing bullish candlestick patterns. Remember, never enter a short position as long as the price is above the green cloud, and only look for confirmation to enter a long position. Focus on this area a bullish candle has broken out of the resistance zone, and after the pullback, an engulfing bullish candle has formed. If you look at the Wada-Atar explosion indicator and see green columns, we could have opened a long position here, placing the stop loss below the support zone and setting the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Here, I've chosen a downtrend on the 5-minute time frame to demonstrate how this strategy works. As you can see, the price has reached the resistance zone and a selling signal has been given. Then the green line is crossed below the red line and the price is below the red cloud. Therefore, we're only looking for selling positions. After the breakout of the support zone and pullbacks, you can re-enter the position by observing bearish candlestick patterns. Remember, never enter a long position as long as the price is below the red cloud, and only look for confirmation to enter a short position. Focus on this area a bearish candle has broken out of the support zone, and after the pullback, a bearish engulfing candle has formed. If you look at the Wada-Atar explosion indicator and see red columns, we could have opened a short position here, placing the stop loss above the resistance zone and setting the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. In this scenario, I've chosen the 15-minute time frame for gold. The price has reached the resistance zone and remained below the red cloud, consolidating within a range. A selling signal has emerged and a bearish candle has closed. Now, let's analyze the Wada-Atar explosion indicator. Focus on the green columns. Although several bullish candles have formed, the size and volume of the green columns are notably smaller than the red columns, indicating weaker buying pressure compared to selling pressure. Given these conditions, we infer that the price is undergoing a corrective phase and is likely to resume its downward trajectory. With this analysis, we can consider opening a short position. Place the stop loss above the resistance zone and set the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Let's observe the outcome. Here, I've selected the Dow Jones Index on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the price is above the green cloud, indicating an uptrend, so we should be looking for buying positions. Additionally, the price has crossed above a resistance zone and pulled back. As you know, when price surpasses a resistance zone, it often turns into a support area during pullbacks. Here, a bullish candle with a long shadow has formed, giving a buying signal. However, if we look at the Wada-Atar explosion indicator, we see that the color of the columns is red, suggesting that we should not open a buying position. I'll wait for the next candle to form. Now, as you can see, the bullish candle has closed, and the color of the Wada-Atar explosion indicator's column has turned green. Now, I can open a buying position, placing the stop loss below the support zone and setting the take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Let's see the result. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel so we can stay motivated to create more content like this. I recommend following our Instagram channel and joining our Telegram group to access the best and latest trading setups and free signals. Share this video with your friends and spread the word on social media. Until the next video, stay successful.